Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a winter planter using all of the natural materials that I have gathered from outside. This is not too difficult and it is a lot of fun and pretty satisfying to make it. First thing first, you need to prep your pot with soil, which I already done outside in the garden. I'm using a mix of cedar, pine, spruce and evergreen shrub, English ivy, hedera helix, and I'm placing the stems directly into the soil, and that's going to hold them but also give them a bit of moisture. And I'm not putting them symmetrically or perfect. I want it to be wild, going in the different directions and heights.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
So now that the planter is all filled out with the greenery, I can start now to add different items. And I start with red dogwood twigs, accentuate the central focal point. Also you can use a birch branches, grapevine orb. It would really look nice, metal obelisk, berries, pine cones. There is a lot different options which you can use for your focal point, and it should be the tallest one.
Nights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Here we have finished porch planter with mix of natural elements which will last in the cold weather for quite a few months. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.